Hey y'all, welcome to my channel Beautywithty. Please subscribe if you haven't already for more natural videos. So in this video I'm showing you guys how I did these Bobbi Boss braids, and make sure you stay to the end of the video. I will give you a 6-day update as well as how I added these curly pieces of hair. Okay, so I decided to bring y'all along to the hair store because I mean, hey, why not? This is the hair that you're going to see in the video. It's $1.99, just some basic cheap hair. And then this is another brand that I decided to pick up. Very affordable, $6.99 for basically 4 packs of hair. Okay, starting off, I already washed and conditioned my hair, blow dried it using my Silverbird and my iron attachment. So I'm going to section my hair off in 4. Okay, y'all, so I actually seen this parting done on TikTok and decided to try it out, and I love it. You want to part your hair from ear to ear, like right at the top of your ear tab, and then you want to section it off down the middle of that, and then section it one more time. Okay, see my third one? I just started right here at my temple and brought it around. All right, boom. I have 5 sections. 2, 2, and 1. Okay, so this is the hair I'm using. Just some cheap hair. This was the cheapest hair that was at my beauty supply store. It was like $1.99, which I think is still too high. I do have some of this hair, which is like the good stuff, because this was like $6.99. Wait, I could have just got this. $6.99. Oh my god, I could have saved more money just getting this. Could have saved $1 and better quality hair. Trying to be cheap. Okay, whatever. And I'm using regular jam, and then she is Bond Goo. And then I also have this edge control. Alright, y'all, so I'm on my second pack of hair. This is what I have done so far. And I'm actually feeding in the hair. And all of these braids back here, I cut my hair in half. But I'm starting to see that it may not be long enough for me to cut my hair in half anymore. Alright, so now this next section, this is going to be 2 rows. Back to the parting. Even when working my way up, I'm still using that curved parting method. It looks so good. So now I'm ready to go in with this. Alright, so here in the front, I'm doing the same thing, but this time I did not cut my hair in half. So I'm just working my way around. I love this parting method here. So then when I get to the back, it's the exact same thing. Like I said, I always get questions about how I braid the back of my hair. I just feel for it. I've been braiding my hair for so long that it just works for me. All right, finally to my last 2 sections. And if one tip I could give is to use a metal tip red tail comb, so you know you can get your parts a little bit more precise. And see, I'm working my way around, and then you'll see in like a clip later on how the parting area looks so much better when you swoop it around like that. So on my edges, I like to braid it underhand, just adding in the braiding hair. It was easier for me versus me putting my hands over my head to braid how I braid here. See, my hands are like over my head. Just how I grab the hair. I hold it like this, and then I put my finger through it like that. Then put it underneath. And if you cannot braid that well, you can definitely start off with a rubber band around your box and then add the hair. That way will be easy. And that way you can still achieve this look without feeding in the hair, because that even get hard for me sometimes. But I did good this time, girl. So I have 1 row left, so 3 more boxes. And as y'all can see, I am being very generous with this edge control. That way I can get my style to last longer, as well as I won't have so many flyaways and my hair can look neat and sleek. Because as you guys know, I am natural, so I would like all of my hair to be tamed inside of my braids. And or if you have thin hair, edge control will help you out with gripping the hair and your hair together. Okay, so these Bobbi Boss braids took way longer than expected. I started around 2 o'clock. It is now 7 o'clock. So that's about 5 hours. I definitely used way more braiding hair than I thought I was going to use. So in a total, I used 8 packs of hair, 5 hours of work. But baby girl. So what I've been doing is using the Ebin edge tamer like on my roots. And then I just go in and use the jam on my ends. That's what's working out for me. So jam my roots as well as my ends. Split it into 3. Now feed in my hair. Second piece of hair. Third piece of hair. I braid it down a bit. Then turn it around and continue to plait down. When I get to the end of my hair, add my jam. Rubber band it. Of course, you can burn your ends if you like. Rubber banding is so much easier. Here's the finished look. I don't know. This bob had to kind of grow on me. Okay, check you out for making it this far in the video. This is the completed look of the first phase of these box of braids. Now let's get into the update. All right, so it's been 6 days. Now I'm going to go in and add this hair, some curly pieces, and it's 6 inches. And you see it's like crochet hair. So I'll take one. Look at these. Split it. Actually, let me show you my hair before. And you see here, it then kind of like loosened up. Here's my roots. So I'm really adding the hair close to the edge. Crochet it in. And then I tie a knot. Just really cheap nail glue. Dot. Add my wrap lotion. See that? And adding in this curly hair, this method can be used on, you know, any type of box braids, whether they long or short, new, old. If you want to spice up your braids before you take them out, you can do this. This hair is synthetic, so it has started to tangle, and it's about 3 days later, but I'll try to give y'all an update so you guys can see how it is. So look out for that video. Okay, a little short one. All done. And I still have this much left over, so a full bundle plus some of the other one. Take some of my oil. And if you would like to purchase my hair oil, I will leave a link down below. Here I'm going to go ahead and do my edges since they have started to come out and I didn't do any edges at the beginning of this style. So when you're giving lemons, we're going to make lemonade, baby, and swoop those edges. And it looks really good with the curly hair. I want to always do this with my box braids. Just add some curly hair. Miss you, sister. Y'all, I got stuck. And I was really right here ready to cry. But I cannot get stuck in my feelings. These braids don't take me forever. And I don't have time to sit right here and cry. I just miss my sister and just wish I could just touch her, talk to her, hold her one more time. I do talk to her. I talk to my sister all the time. If you don't know, my sister passed from COVID 2020. And it's just so hard. So hard.